What's going on, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can potentially make up to $10,000 per month using and leveraging the power of YouTube. YouTube is extremely powerful and anyone can make $10,000 a month if they put in the work. So super excited to show you exactly how you can get started with this strategy. Before we get started, guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles. And on this channel, I teach people how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but I have a ton of methods on how to make money. So if you are interested in learning more, please subscribe, tick the notification bell, and let's go and get started. So, all right. So when making $10,000 a month, guys, it's really not that hard. I mean, it takes a little bit of work in the beginning, but I'm going to kind of walk through some steps on how you can get started, with YouTube. Okay. Because YouTube in 2020 and moving forward is the most powerful platform on the planet, and I'll show you exactly why. But first of all, you're gonna want to lock down your niche. Okay, so whatever you're doing, like if you're doing health and fitness, if you're doing like how to make money online, if you're doing relationship, like whatever it is, you want to lock it down. Okay, I'm going to show you how to find a niche that is it searchable? Are people actually searching for what you're about to make, like stuff like that? Okay, so if we go to YouTube here, and let's just say like my niche. Okay, so how to make money online. Okay, so you want to start researching what other people are doing. Like, is there people looking for what you're doing, right? So obviously how to make money online is huge. That is super big. But I use this keyword tool here called Keywords Everywhere. And I believe it used to be free, but now you have to pay for it. It's like $1 for like 2 months or something. It's really cheap. But anyways, you can see how many people are searching right here. Okay, so that gives you an indication of, is that niche even profitable? Because you don't want to get into something that no one's searching, right? That's the power of YouTube, is people are searching for whatever video you have to offer, right? So for me, my niche is how to make money online, but more specifically, how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Okay. So you can see here, like you can kind of start doing your research, but basically what you want to do here is just see how many people are searching it. Is there a lot of competition? How can you make your videos better? Stuff like that. Okay. So you can start with here, just by, with YouTube alone, you can see like the competition here. You can see one of my videos is ranking here in YouTube. But yeah, you can see like what's going on, with your niche. Now, another thing you can do is you can go to a website called Answer the Public. Okay. And this is actually really cool because it gives you a ton of content ideas that people are already searching for. Let's just say we want to start with like how to make money online. Let's just start with that. Okay. And you go get questions. Okay. It's going to give you a ton of content ideas that you can like use for your YouTube channel. Okay. So this is, part of the YouTube strategy. You don't want to start a YouTube channel if it's not something that is, something that people are searching for. Okay. Because you're not going to make very much money and you're not going to, you're not going to see results and you're going to quit. So you don't want to do that. But if you go here, you can see there's a ton of different this is all video ideas you can do. So you can go here and which, let's see what it says here. Where and how to make money online, where to make money online in Nigeria, where to make money online for real. This guy's just so many content ideas. You can see here, so many ideas you can like choose, and that'll give you a content strategy. Okay. So, that's part of the research. Okay. And guys, please stick with me till the end. I'm going to show you how to actually monetize your YouTube channel and start making money online. Okay. This is just the basics of it. Okay. So don't worry. I'm going to get to the actual fun part and how you actually make money. Okay. So don't worry about that. Okay. So is your content searchable? That's going to, like I said, that's going to be part of the research. Okay. Also, do you love talking about the subject? Guys, you have to love talking about what you're doing. Okay. So for me, I love helping people make money online. If I can help my students make, that 10K per month mark, I've done my job, and that's my main goal on my YouTube channel, is to help people get to that $10,000 per month. Because a lot of YouTube channels will try to say, hey, you can make $1 million, blah, blah, blah. But I want to be more tangible. Like let's start with 10K per month. That's something that I always wanted to hit, right? 10K per month. So that's my main goal for you. So 10K per month is very, very attainable. I was able to do it within, I think like 3 months of starting my channel, but I monetized it the correct way. I'm not saying you're going to do the same thing. You can do it in a month. You can do it in a year. What I'm saying is 10K is the number that most people want to hit. Most people in America are not making that amount of money, and that you can live a really good lifestyle with that. That being said, let's continue through the video. Okay. So we want to create a content strategy before creating your videos. Okay. So what I mean by that is have like a list of like 100 videos that you want to make. Okay, so like I said, go here and pick out the ones you want to make, create an Excel spreadsheet, and then go to YouTube and like type in like, okay, how to make money online, the correct way or something, whatever you found on on Answer the Public. You can see how many people are searching it, put it in an Excel spreadsheet, and now you have a content strategy, right? So that'll give you ideas on when you're creating videos, okay? So that is step one, is locking down your niche, figuring out exactly what you want to talk about on YouTube, okay? So let's go ahead and move forward. And like I said, towards the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to actually make the money on YouTube, but you have to have this stuff in place first, okay? All right. Number two is traffic sources for the win. Okay, so as you create your YouTube channel, it's really important that you know exactly where your traffic is coming from, specifically from YouTube. Okay, there's other traffic sources externally, but I'm just talking about internally from YouTube. Okay, so if we go to my channel analytics here, let me show you some YouTube traffic sources. Okay, there's a bunch of traffic sources. There's YouTube search, there's browse features, there's suggested videos, there's channel pages. Basically, all of these traffic sources, most of them are within YouTube. Okay, now as you're starting out, you want to rank for YouTube search. Okay, really important. So more importantly, okay, so you want to rank for YouTube search, and then eventually you start ranking for browse features. YouTube will start promoting your channel on autopilot, which is really nice, but you'll never get there if you're not ranking in search first. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about that. So what I mean by that is people are actually searching your videos, okay? Not browse features. Browse features means that like they're going through the home page and your video will pop up. That's free advertising for you, but you're not going to get there unless you're on YouTube search, okay? So let me show you how you can get on YouTube search. So I use a tool called TubeBuddy, okay? And this is a Chrome extension, and I actually do have an affiliate link for TubeBuddy. So, if you do want to try it out, and it's at no extra cost to you to use my affiliate link, I do get a small commission for that. But if you do want to try it out, it's absolutely free. And that's going to be linked in the description below, towards the bottom under my resource section. Okay. But anyways, for TubeBuddy, I definitely use it. I use the paid version, and I'll tell you exactly why. Okay. So let's just say I want to make a video on, let's say, how to make money with YouTube. I'll start with the keyword. I search it, and then, I want to make sure that, people are searching for the video. So, there's 6,000 searches per month. That's good. That means a lot of people are searching that. But more importantly, can I get my video ranked in YouTube? Okay, so here's the cool thing about YouTube. You're going to copy that. TubeBuddy. Okay, so the cool thing with TubeBuddy is you can go down here and, there's something called Search Explorer. Okay, so if you go here to click here for weighted, this is going to be really cool. Okay, you guys are going to like this. Okay, so there's going to be an unweighted and weighted score. Okay, unweighted means how that ranks for just in general. Okay, weighted is really cool. Okay, this is if you have the paid version, which is like $10 a month. Okay, now if you click weighted, this is how it ranks in my specific channel. Big difference. So now, okay, so I'm like, okay, now I have this, how to make money on YouTube. How can I actually make this so I can actually rank? So let's, do some stuff in here. Okay, so if we go here, how to make money on YouTube, let's just say 2020, Explorer. Let's just see if we can get a better score here. Very good. Okay, good. 69 of 100. That's actually better. So let's see, best way on how to make money on YouTube. Let's just see if that's any better. Okay, so you can kind of mess with this until you get a really good score. Okay, that's even worse. So honestly, just anything in the green is going to be really good, especially for something of like, let's just say like something like this is really hard to rank for. So if I can get a 69, I'm happy. So I'm going to use this keyword in a video. Okay, so knowing that, I can go back to my video, and now I know exactly how to get on YouTube search. Now, if you can get on YouTube search, if you start ranking in YouTube search and people are watching your videos, then that's when the power of YouTube starts kicking in. Now YouTube will start, showing your videos on browse features, suggested videos, and that's where it's really powerful. Okay, as you can see here, it exponentially grows, guys. It exponentially grows. Look at that. Okay, it just gets bigger and bigger as you start ranking on YouTube search. Then browse features and suggested start to catch up to that, and then eventually browse will just make one of your videos go viral, and that's when you really start growing on YouTube. Okay. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. Traffic sources for the win. Knowing exactly where your traffic is coming from is key. Okay, don't worry guys, I'm gonna get to how to make money online. Just give me 1 second. This is very important stuff, okay? One more thing here before we get to the actual monetization on making 10K per month. Let's talk about content. Consistent content is gonna be the most important part about having a successful YouTube channel. As you can see here, I'm a small YouTube channel. I don't think I'm very big, but I am very consistent. Almost every single day I'm posting a video. 6 days ago, 7 days ago, every single day I'm posting a video. Now, I'm not saying you need to post a video every single day. I just want to grow my channel as fast as possible. But at the same time, I also want to have very, very quality content. Okay, so, if you're going to be posting a video a day and it's not good, then don't do it. Maybe do 3 videos a week or 2 videos a week, but make sure they're really good. I believe my content is valuable every single video, and I do not make a video unless I know people are going to get value from it. Okay. So that being said, I post videos almost every single day. It's a lot of work. I get up at 3 in the morning and I post every single day at 9 a.m. Mountain time. That's usually the best time for me. But that being said, if you're only doing 2 videos a week, make sure that it's the same time your subscribers know exactly when your videos are coming out. And I promise you guys will start getting more and more traction. I mean, look at this. Look at my channel here. I started in May of 2019. You can see here that, in about 7-8 months, I've been able to grow fairly quickly, okay? But I was very, very consistent, okay? Anyways, let's go ahead and continue on, okay? So next here is making videos longer than 10 minutes, okay? That's going to be really, I wouldn't say you have to, but if you do, it's going to be easier to get YouTube monetized, which I'll talk about later. But at the same time, you're also providing more content for those people, okay? And then last thing is create amazing thumbnails. Amazing thumbnails are going to be like something that's going to grab someone's attention. Okay. That's something I had to get better at as I, created more and more content. If you see my old thumbnails, they're really, really bad, but it's okay because you learn as you continue to make YouTube videos. Okay. But anyways, really good thumbnails help people click on your videos. Okay. All right. So now let's get to the last thing here and let's talk about actually making money online. So this is going to be monetizing your channel. Okay. Now, I want to talk about this because this is my favorite subject. I have my own, one-on-one coaching program where I help, channels like literally monetize their channel. You do not need a lot of people, a lot of subscribers to monetize their channel. I was able to hit 10K a month with only 500 subscribers, okay? Now, not saying you're going to do that, but what I'm saying is you don't need a lot of people. All you need is a really good strategy on how to monetize, okay? So the first one I want to talk about is actual Google Ads revenue, okay? So if we go here, I was just monetized not too long ago, okay? So that being said, I was doing 10K a month before I was even YouTube monetized, okay? So if I go here to the last 90 days, you can see here, I wasn't even monetized till December 15th, right? That being said, I've made $649, which is nice, but that's not going to get you that 10K a month. That'll help, but I'm not saying you can make 10K a month with YouTube ads. You have to have a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, and eventually I think my channel will hit 10K a month with YouTube ads. But there's so many ways that you can monetize your channel without YouTube ads. Most people just try to get YouTube ads, okay? All my one-on-one clients that I've talked to, they just try to monetize with YouTube ads. Now, that's a great way to do it. But again, there's other ways to monetize without even being YouTube monetized. Okay. So let me talk about the fastest way is affiliate marketing. Okay. Now with affiliate marketing, you can recommend and sell other products that you're already using. And you're going to make a ton of money that way. Okay. So for example, okay. So if we go to one of my videos here, you'll see I have a ton of affiliate links. Now, throughout my videos, I do talk about a lot of things that, that I recommend. So like I said, the TubeBuddy was one of the things I recommend because I use a tool called Morning Fame, which is another tool I use for SEO. Here's softwares I use for my website. So guys, there's a ton of affiliate links that I'm making money from. Okay. This is just my resource section. Okay. This is just for like websites and tools that I use online. Now for actual, like where I make my real money is my first link in the description below. Okay. This is the link that I always promote. This is how I started my online business, is with this program here. Now, you can make a lot of money because this is a high ticket program to get into. Okay, so people go in here, they buy through this link here, which is my #1 recommendation on how to make money online. I make a commission, right? So really cool, because you can do the same thing to monetize your channel. You don't need to be YouTube monetized, is what I'm saying. Okay. Another one here is coaching. Coaching, you can make a ton of money. People need coaching, guys. I mean, I coach clients every single month. It's my 10K per month coaching program. You can see here, that's another way I monetize my channel. So if you go here, you can see I do have my, work with me one-on-one, my 10K per month coaching program. And that's a way you can start making money as well. Whether it's a coaching program, you can help people create websites, stuff like that. So, coaching or freelance coaching is going to be the same thing here, but that's a great way to monetize. If you love working with people, if you want to help someone get to the next level, you don't even have to be an expert. You just have to be like a chapter ahead of them, okay? And you'll be able to help someone. As long as you can provide value for someone else, you're going to be able to make money with coaching, okay? All right, another one here is create a digital course. Now, I do have a digital course, but it's not paid. Okay, so the way I do it is if you go back to my links here, you can see my completely free step-by-step affiliate marketing course. You would see that it's a free course, but within that course, there's affiliate links that I can make money from. Now, I will eventually have my own digital course, and I will, have that out. But at this point in time, I don't have a digital course. I'm just working on my coaching right now. But that's a great way to monetize as well, okay? And then last one here, sponsored or brand deals. So this is not really affiliate marketing. This is like if someone were to come to you and say, hey, if you talk about this product here, I'll pay you a certain amount of money, right? So kind of like affiliate marketing, but it's more like, a set payment. Like, hey, talk about, talk about this wallet here, right? Talk about this wallet and, how it's helped you out, and we'll pay you $500 to do a video about it. Okay. I've never done a sponsored or brand deal just because I don't think my YouTube channel is big enough. People usually look for bigger channels, but that is another way you can monetize as well. So I will do a dedicated video on how to monetize your channel. There's so many ways you can monetize, and that is my expertise on how to monetize your channel. Even if I've helped clients out that had like 100,000 subscribers, and I dove deep into their business, and they were not monetizing correctly. They weren't even making 10K a month at 100,000 subscribers. If you're not making 10K a month, you're doing something wrong. Okay. I've been able to make a lot of money with only 500 subscribers. There's a way to monetize your channel, guys. I promise you can. So I hope this video was of value to you. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I'm going to do another video on how to monetize your channel. It's going to be more in depth on how I actually, how I do it, how I help my clients out. So stay tuned to that. Subscribe, take the notification bell. That way, when I come out with that video, you know exactly when it's out. Okay. Anyways, guys, I will talk to you soon. Like, subscribe, comment. It helps me grow on YouTube. And we'll talk to you soon.